Okay, my book is here. For anyone who's been kind of following along on social media, I have been working on this book for a really long time, and I shared out what the book cover design looks like recently. But this is the first physical copy of the book that I'm actually receiving. So I'm really excited. I'm really nervous to see how this turns out. I'm a first-time author. I've never done this before, and this is my first book. Hopefully not the last. So yeah, I ordered it. Amazon allows you to order an author-proof copy, which allows you to see what your book will actually look like. And yeah, I wasn't expecting it today. I was expecting it in the mail tomorrow. So this is a nice surprise, but I'm also really nervous to see how this will turn out. Shall I open it? Yes? Okay. Cool. Here we go. So yeah, this is my book. It has my name on it. That's how you can tell. And you can see the little not for resale sign. That's obviously that's not going to be on the final book. That's just because it's an author-proof copy. But yeah, it's. I went through a lot of different designs and a lot of different colors, and I love the bright yellow. Kind of goes with the day today. It's a sunny day, and oh my god, I can't believe this is my actual book. Cool. That's the first page, and I have some praise for the book already from some kind-hearted people who offered to pre-read it a little bit. And yeah, this is the real first page of the book. There you go. Oh my god. Yeah, wow. It is wild. I've seen the book online before, but it is wild to see my book in my hand for the first time. Yeah, go check it out if you want to learn more about the book. It comes out on September 19th, and you can go learn more on shelby.com, so just myfirstname.com. And I hope you'll consider exploring the book a little bit more, and thank you so much for sharing this moment with me. It's very exciting. Thank you.